Now, this is where most people misunderstand personal branding. It isn't software you install once, it's a journey. You don't know your communication style on day one. You don't know how you will come across on camera. You don't know what your audience will respond to. You discover those things through repetition, through publishing, through feedback, through consistency long after motivation disappears. Building a respected personal brand takes years, not months, years, which leaves one uncomfortable question. Do you have the time, the skill, or the money to commit honestly? Or are you still hoping a shortcut appears around month two? At the end of the day, everyone is balancing the same resources: time, skill, money, experience. Nobody escapes that equation. Even the biggest creators invested heavily in one or more of them. And even with large teams behind them, one thing can never be outsourced: your identity. Editors can edit, designers can design, teams can execute, but nobody can replace your perspective. You can build slowly yourself, you can hire experts, or you can work with a structured theme that helps you bridge both worlds, but you cannot skip the process, because personal branding is long-term positioning and it compounds whether you are paying attention or not.